Hi guys. Okay. Yeah, just set up behind me. I'm outside on my balcony, and anybody that walks by can see me, so this is a little different for me. But today we're going to be unboxing the Target Beauty Box. The Target Beauty Box is a monthly subscription. However, it's not like any other subscription. You don't sign up and then get it monthly. What you have to do is you have to physically go onto the Target's website every month and purchase it. And it could range anywhere from $5 to $10. This month the boxes were $7, and this month they had a men's version. So this is the woman's box, and this is the men's box, and we're gonna unbox these. So that's what the top looks like, and it just came in a box like this. I love the coloring of the box, and it says Jet Set Go. And then you have a $3 off coupon for any beauty purchase of $15 or more. And then it's got all the products. And then you always have a little sheet of paper, tissue paper. Let's open it up, and I will pull out the first thing. Okay, so the first thing is by Pantene. It's the Intense Rescue Shot Ampoule Treatment. And I got this in a Walmart beauty box. The one that just came, I think I did it a week or so ago. But I got this in that box. It's pretty much like a treatment for your hair to help with split ends and stuff. So, I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of that. I don't really use Pantene products, but that did come in the box. And then let's pull out the next thing. The next thing is by CND, and it's the Viney Luxe Mini Duo and Romantique 7-Day Wear Best-Selling Shades. And it's got two nail products. And one looks to be like a very light pink shade, and then the other is a top coat. Now, I do have both of these shades already from CND, and they are really, really nice. I do love their line of nail polishes, so I will include these in a future giveaway for one of you guys. Okay, next we have something by Pixi. This is the Pixi Skin Treats T-Zone Peel Off Mask, and it's 0.5 fluid ounces. It looks like that. I love masks. Let's see if this is safety sealed, and it is safety sealed, so I won't open it. I love masks. I love peel-off masks especially. It says, this detoxifying mask draws out impurities and peels off to reveal immediate results. A unique green superfood blend helps refresh and refine. Great for congested skin. So I might use this actually tonight. I love a good mask, so I'm very, very excited about that. Oh, I have something in my eye. Let's pull out the next thing I see, which is by Herbal Essence, and this is a dry shampoo. Okay, and you get 50 grams. Oh, what the heck? That was weird. So something was just on my table and it just fell. That was really weird. But this is a dry shampoo by Herbal Essence. I've never tried Herbal Essence dry shampoo. Let's smell this. Ooh, that smells really, really good. I am very excited about this. I love dry shampoo, so I will definitely be giving this a try. I go through so much dry shampoo. That right there is amazing. And last but not least, okay, so this is the Tresemme Between Washes Volumizing Dry Shampoo. They gave us 2 dry shampoos. I don't know how I feel about this. This box is very hair care and skincare heavy, and for me personally, I prefer skincare over hair care. We did get 2 dry shampoos and a treatment. I'm not sure how I feel about that. And I did get this dry shampoo in a Walmart beauty box. It's nice. I have tried it. I have it in my purse right now. It smells good, and it's a nice box, or a dry shampoo. For me, that box was not worth the $7 because 2 of the products I have received before. One of the products I have in my possessions already, and the Pixi thing is so tiny. But let's unbox the guys' beauty box. And I'm assuming they had this because Father's Day, but this is what it looks like. I love the green with the trees and the mountains. And then again, they have a little thing that tells you everything inside, plus a $3 off, and it says for a beauty purchase of $15 or more. And then they have the green tissue paper. Oh, okay, so this is what theirs looks like, and it's very, very full. Let's pull out the first thing, which is by Head & Shoulders. Oh, and we have a plane making an appearance. The first thing is by Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Men Advanced Series Pure Sport Old Spice. It's a dandruff shampoo and conditioner. Ooh, it smells really good too. My husband is in the military and he goes in the field a lot, so little bottles like this are perfect for him to take because he's always taking his full-size ones, and that's just a pain for him. So that'll be nice. And then the next thing, oh my gosh, next thing is a full-size deodorant by Old Spice. It's the Deep Sea Antiperspirant. Let's see what this smells like. Ooh, that smells really good. My husband always needs deodorant. He goes through so much deodorant. Okay, I had to move inside because I have a neighbor outside downstairs, and he likes to go outside on his balcony and talk, and you would have been able to hear his entire conversation. But that product was deodorant by Old Spice, the Deep Sea with Ocean Elements, antiperspirant, and deodorant. Smells really, really good, and my husband will definitely use it. Next, we have a Dove Men & Care Dry Spray Clean Comfort Non-Irritant Formula Antiperspirant. Again, my husband will use this. He'll take these little bottles into the field with him, so that'll make it easy for him. Next, we have a Gum Detoxify Crest Fluoride Toothpaste. I feel like toothpaste in every Target beauty box. It's not a bad thing. I use them. Everybody uses toothpaste, so. And the next thing we have is a full-size Gillette razor. It looks like this. Is this the one you can buy the different heads for it? This is one you can buy different heads for it, which my husband, this is what he uses. So he will use that. If not, I might steal it to shave my legs. And last but not least, they give us a little sample of Bulldog Skincare for Men, and it's got shave gel, face wash, and moisturizer. The moisturizer my husband won't use because he has special moisturizer from the doctors because he has really bad dry skin. And the face wash he won't really use, but the shave gel he might, or I might just throw it in a giveaway for someone. I'm not quite sure. But that is all. Let me know if you guys think the Target Beauty Box is worth it. Next month maybe it'll be better and we'll unbox it. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, do not forget to subscribe down below. Also, I have a Twitter giveaway going on right now, and I will have a picture right up here. All you have to do is go follow me on Twitter and leave a comment on my post, and you can be entered. You also can get an extra entry by being subscribed to my beauty channel, so definitely go check it out. It's got some great things in it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!